next alarm possible on the ozone skid that we're going to talk about is the temperature sensor alarm on the pump. Now all of our pumps, our pump skid, our ozone pump here, they're all equipped with temperature sensors, and the reason is it's a protective thing, and it prevents in cases of, say, deadheading. So somebody accidentally turns a valve that's not supposed to be closed, maybe here or downstream or whatever. And so what that does is, obviously the pump's deadheading, it's pushing against that valve, the water slowly heats up, and then as it goes over the set point on this sensor, then it shuts the pump down. It disables the pump so that the pump won't burn up. And so I'm going to walk you through kind of what that looks like and how you reset it and all those different things. So what I'm going to do first is simulate an alarm. So I'm going to create a situation where the pump is deadheaded, show you what happens, and then show you what to do. So the first thing you'll notice on the alarm or the sensor is that it has a green light. So if you have only a green light, it's good to go. It's normal operation mode. There's no alarm present. So we're going to start the system up and then deadhead the pump. Okay. So you'll notice on that sensor there are two adjustments. There's one which you set to turn the pump off at whatever temperature. Let's say I think in this case it's 70 degrees. But there's also a reset temperature. And what that will do is that if the system is in auto mode, what will happen is once the water temperature falls back down to that reset point, everything will start back up again. So you can see that the system shuts off, the ozone production shuts off, the ozone skid pump shuts off, because all those things are involved in ozone production, obviously, and we don't need those running, right, if the pump's not running. So again, you'll see that also when this alarm is triggered, the yellow light also comes on the sensor. That lets you know right up front that there's a problem with the water temperature. And if you go up here to the panel, it'll actually show you right here, it says temperature sensor halt. So it's letting you know on the panel as well that it's shut off the pump. And you can also see here that the ozone generator and the oxygen concentrator are also shut off. And so once again, if we lower this reset temperature, so again, we're simulating the water cooling back down. You'll see that even in manual mode, everything turns back on. So once again, this is a safety mechanism to protect your pump from overheating and burning up a seal.